Let's take a look at these examples. We have C9 minus BC. C9 minus BC. Of course, this is base 16. We have 9 minus C. C is 12. We're supposed to subtract 12 from 9. This is impossible at this moment. So what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to borrow 1 from this digit and realize that this one is become 16, the base of this system over the next column. Okay, if you borrow 1 from this digit, it automatically becomes the base over the next column. This is like with regular subtraction of the decimal numbers. Let's say if you have decimal numbers, let's say I have 25 minus 16. This is base 10. Okay, you borrow 1 from here and you got 10 over here. So you borrow 1 from this digit, that one became the base over the next column. The concept is exactly the same, but in this case we work with base 16. That's why borrow 1 from this digit becomes 16, the base over the next column. Now 16 plus 9 is equal 25. 25 minus 12 is equal 13. 13 in hexadecimal is D. That's why I'm supposed to write D over here. I borrow 1 from C. C is 12. So if I borrow 1 from 12, I got 11. 11 minus 11 gives me 0. So my answer is simply D. Of course, this is base 16. And this is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at the next example. I have 7a base 16 minus f. A minus f. We cannot do this. We're supposed to borrow 1 from 7. This becomes 6. That borrow 1 over the next column is going to have value of the base. The base is 16. That's why I'm going to write over here 16. 16 plus 10 is equal 26. 26 minus 15 is equal 11, where 11 is represented by letter B. That's why I'm going to write B over here and simply copy down this 6. And this is base 16. And this is the solution to my problem. We have another example on the board. We have F, B, B base 16 minus C9E base 16. B is 11. E is 14. I cannot subtract 14 from 11. That's why I'm going to borrow 1 from B. This B becomes A. And that borrow of 1 becomes 16 over the next column. 16 plus 11 gives me 27. 27 minus 14, because E represents 14, is equal 13. 13 is represented by letter D. That's why I'm going to write over here D. A is 10. 10 minus 9 is equal 1. That's why I'm going to write 1 over here. F is 15. 15 minus 12 is equal 3. Of course, this is base 16. My answer is 3, 1, D. Okay, this is the solution to my problem.